Okay, sir.
The charge present in a molecule, the charge present in an atom in a molecule after the distribution of electron. After the distribution of electrons. After the distribution of electrons. Or we can define in another way also. Or the number of electrons gained. The number of electrons gained or lost element during chemical bond formation. During chemical bond formation. Okay, now for example, consider NaCl. Now, when in the formation of NaCl, sodium loses 1 electron and chlorine gains 1 electron. We know the atomic number of sodium, that is 11, whose configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Here chlorine 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 3p5.
Sir, your voice is low, sir.
Yes, sir. Your voice is low.
Yes, sir.
Volume high better nanega. I can't.
బంజయ్ వస్తున్నా
Configuration 2, 8, and 7. Okay, and here to get nearest inert gas configuration, sodium lose 1 electron. So after losing 1 electron, sodium become Na plus then. Okay, and this last electron is gained by chlorine. Here chlorine gains 1 electron from sodium. So after gaining 1 electron, Cl becomes Cl minus 1. Here in NaCl, the charge present on sodium is plus 1. Okay, the charge present on chlorine here minus 1. Okay, so the oxidation number of sodium here plus 1, chlorine oxidation number minus 1, because during the formation of NaCl crystal, sodium lost 1 electron, chlorine gains 1 electron. Next slide. Copy చేశారని అనేది
1 minute, sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
second example. Magnesium oxide, MgO. Here magnesium and oxygen.
Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
Sir is not speaking.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the formation of magnesium oxide, magnesium lose 2 electrons. Okay, we know magnesium atomic number, that is 12. So its configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2.
17
Okay, next
Minus-
oxygen atomic number 8, configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, sorry, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4.
8
Okay, to get nearest indices configuration, oxygen required 2 more electrons. Okay, to get nearest inert gas configuration, oxygen should get 2 electrons. Here, to get nearest inert gas configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, which is equal to neon configuration. So to get nearest noble gas configuration, magnesium lose 2 electrons. Okay, magnesium lost 2 electrons from its outermost orbit. So after losing 2 electrons, magnesium acquired +2 charge. Okay, so magnesium here lose 2 electrons, and the lost electron by magnesium is gained by oxygen. ఇక్కడ magnesium lose in 2 electrons, oxygen gain. After gaining 2 electron, oxygen become -2 charge.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yeah, the oxidation number of magnesium here +2. In magnesium oxide, Mg charge +2 and the oxygen charge -2. This is the way we can explain oxidation number. During molecule formation, the element can lose electron or lost electron or gain electron. Then next slide. Then screenshot తీసుకోండి. ఏదో కాపీ చేస్తున్నారా? అందరూ కాపీ చేస్తున్నారా నాన్న?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఈ టాపిక్ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీట్ చేశారు.
Yes, sir.
జస్ట్ ఒక్కసారి రివైజ్ చేసండి అంతేనా? నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అన్న, థర్డ్ వన్. Then in HCl, what are the charges present in hydrogen and chlorine? Hydrogen -1. Next now, fourth one. Find the oxidation numbers of manganese in KMnO4, potassium permanganate. What is the charge present in manganese here? Can anyone? Can anyone calculate the manganese oxidation number? Manganese lose how many electrons or manganese gains how many electrons in the formation of KMnO4? Now there are some rules to calculate the oxidation number of any element. Then in general, yes, then a separate book lo rayalem. Then here, first identify the elements, nana. Potassium, next manganese, next oxygen. Okay, na? Then potassium, what is the common charge of proton? Potassium, what is the common charge for potassium? As it belongs to 1A group in periodic table, then potassium belongs to 1A group. Okay, in periodic table, it belongs to 1A group. So its common oxidation state, its common charge is +1. Okay, so potassium +1. So manganese we don't know. So say X. Next, oxygen. The common charge for oxygen is -2. Okay, in most of the compound, oxygen has -2 charge. Okay, -2. Next, one more. Sum of oxidation numbers of all elements in a compound. All elements in a compound or in a molecule is equal to 0. Or charge present on it. Then is there any charge present on KMnO4? Is there any charge assigned on KMnO4? ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా charge assign చేశారా నాన్న? లేదు. Okay, so
No, sir.
equal to 0. Okay. Here will చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. The sum of oxidation numbers of all elements in a compound is equal to 0. And here potassium oxidation number plus 1. How many potassiums are here? 1 potassium. Okay, each potassium having plus 1 charge. Okay, plus adini add చేస్తున్నాను. Manganese nana. How many manganese here? 1 manganese nana. Each manganese having charge 0. Unknown nana. We don't know. Next nana. Oxygen. How many oxygens here? 4. Each oxygen having minus 2 charge. So is equal to, is there any charge on K-4? No. So it is 0. Okay, suppose is there any charge assigned on molecule? No, then you can consider that right charge. Then 1 plus x minus 8 is equal 0. Then x is equal to plus 7. Plus 7 indicates that it lost 7 electron during K-4 formation. Okay, the oxidation number of manganese here plus 7.
Yes, sir.
It indicates during K-4 formation, manganese lost 7 electrons. Okay, Rana. Next now. Next example, fifth one, oxidation number of chromium. Nana. Okay, oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7. Okay, the underlined element. You have to find the oxidation number of underlined element. Here chromium. Nana. Okay, chromium oxidation number. And వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు చేసి వాట్సాప్లో పంపించండి ఫోటో తీసి ఒకసారి ఫాస్ట్గా. Its name is potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. Yes, Nana. రాయాలి నన్ను నోట్స్ రాయాలి. Then oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate. Okay, so here we know that potassium, as it belongs to 1A group, the common charge here plus 1. Okay, for each group common charges are there. For 1A group plus 1, for 2A group plus 2, like this. Okay, next plus 1. Those rules are already discussed by Mallareddy sir. That is why I am not discussing completely. Then chromium.
Sir, plus
Chromium oxidation number AX none. Very good, Anna. Aditya, right, Nana. Sorry, remaining student, here potassium oxidation number plus 1. It's common charge. Yes, Nana, new book lo petti raayalani andaru. And not 13. And chromium unknown element. Here oxygen is there. Its common charge is minus 2. Nana. Okay. So here.
Sir, which lesson, sir?
Is stoichiometry continuation to Mallareddy sir topic.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Here 2 potassiums are there. So write 2 potassium. Then each potassium having charge plus 1. Next element plus chromium. 2 chromiums are there. Each chromium having x charge plus here 7 oxygens are there. 7. Each oxygen having minus 2 charge. Then sum of oxidation number of all elements in a compound should be equal to either charge or 0. But here no charge on K2Cr2O7. So it is equal to 0. Suppose is there any charge, a particular charge ni ikkada assign cheyala. Next 2 into plus 1 plus 2, 2x minus 14. 7 into minus 2 minus 14 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to x is equal to plus
6.
Yes, Nana, 6 Nana. So during K2Cr2O7 formation, chromium lost 6 electrons. Okay, now fast copy చేసుకున్నాను. 1 minute time ఇస్తున్నాను.
సార్ ఒకసారి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తారా సార్, చార్జ్ ఉంటే ఎలా తీసుకోవాలో?
ఎస్ అన్న వస్తుంది నన్ను ఇంకా చాలా వస్తుంది. ఎస్ Okay, Nana, Lali.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next slide. Example number 6. Then charge species. Chromate ion. Chromate ion. Then here you have to calculate oxidation number of chromium. So here chromium unknown element, we don't know the charge of chromium, and we know the charge of oxygen, oxygen -2. Remember, hydrogen +1, oxygen -2. For any 1A group element +1, okay? For any 1A group element, it is +1. For any 1A group element, it is +1. Hydrogen always +1 in general. Next, oxygen -2. Exceptions are there, we will discuss later. And here oxygen -2. Then evaro camera on chesaru, ban cheskondi. Chromium X nana oxygen -2. Here oxygen -2 nana. Chromium charge nana ledana Aditya. Inka try cheyandi chudandi okasari. Chromium nana charge X, only one chromium, so 1x plus 4 oxygens are there, each oxygen having -2 charge, and then is equal to, okay, chromium and oxygen, only 2 elements are there, then is equal to, then what is the charge present on CrO4, -2.
Minus.
Yes.
-2.
X -8 is equal to -2. X is equal to -2 plus 8. It is nothing but +6.
+6, sir.
Yes. Next, 7th one. Sulfate ion.
Sir, your
SO4
మీ
-2.
వాయిస్ మధ్య లో అయిపోతుంది.
yes, sir.
The trigen అనేది sulfate ion, sulfur. Okay, oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate ion. And we don't know sulfur charge, consider X, and oxygen -2. Now fast trigen aniga same ఇదే కాన్సెప్ట్ అన్న is equal place nana is equal to avutana -2. After the equal to, write -2 charge.
Six,
Sir,
sir.
minus.
What is the charge? Is it +6 or +4?
+6.
Yes,
six,
Nana.
sir.
+6, Nana. Yes. Okay, sulfur X plus 4 oxygen, 4 into each oxygen having -2 charge, and is equal to charge upon SO4 -2. So X -8 is equal to -2. X is equal to +6, Nana. Okay, Nana. Next one. 8th one. SO3 -2, Nana. Sulfite ion. Nana, అది నోట్స్ పక్కన పెట్టానన్న, అది రాస్తే రాయండి, ఇది కూడా రాయండి, అది మీకు ఎలాగో అది పక్కనే అది ఉంటుందన్న రిజర్వ్గా. ఇదైతే నోట్స్ రాయనండి, ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పే టాపిక్ రాయండి. సల్ఫైట్ అయాన్.
Sir, 4, sir.
Yes, Nana, 4. Very
4,
good.
sir.
Yes, Nana, very
+4.
+4, sir.
Yes, Nana, +4. Sulfur lost 4 electron during sulfate ion formation. S is equal to X, Nana, oxygen -2. Okay, sulfur X, Nana, 3 oxygens are there, 3 into -2 is equal to -2 charge. So X is equal to +4.
Yes, sir.
Next, the 9th one. Permanganate ion, MnO4 minus. Permanganate ion. Yes, Nana. New book.
+7, sir.
Yes, Nana, +7.
+7.
Here, manganese, the unknown element.
+7 sir.
Yes, Nana. Oxygen -2. So manganese X Nana plus oxygen. 4 oxygens are in 4 into -2 is equal to -1. So X is equal +7. Next one, 10th one, manganate ion. Manganate ion. MnO4 -2. It is manganate ion. Manganate ion. Then a manganese unknown element here. So manganese is equal to X. Then oxygen is equal to -2. Common charges. Okay. Then
10, sir. X is equal to 10.
X plus 4 oxygens are enough. 4 into -2 is equal to
Plus.
-2. Nana.
Plus 6, sir.
+6 sir.
X minus 8 is equal to -2. X is equal to -2 plus 8. That is +6 nana. And a faster copy
Yes
చేసుకున్నాను.
sir.
Done, sir.
Now, can I go to next slide?
Yes sir.
1 minute sir.
No, sir.
1 minute, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
నాన్న ఇంకెవరైనా లేట్ ఉంటే నాన్న స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి ఇంకా ఇన్కంప్లీట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు. నాన్న చేంజ్ చేస్తున్న స్లైడ్.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
11th one.
Okay.
Oxalative ion. Oxalative ion. Oxalative ion formula C2O4 -2. C2O4 -2. Here we have to calculate the oxidation number of carbon. Okay, carbon oxidation number. And here carbon charge X nana. We know oxygen charge -2. Then here nana, 2 carbons are there in formula. Then 2X.
Sir,
Then-
X is 3 sir.
Yes nana, very
Yes
good.
sir. 3 sir. X is 3.
3, sir.
Yes, yes. 4 into each oxygen -2 charge. Nana. So charge upon C2O4 -2. Nana. Yes. Yes, Nana, right. Aditya. Next one. 2x minus
Yes,
8
sir,
is
3,
equal
sir.
to -2. 2x is equal -2 plus 8. So 2x is equal plus 6. X is equal
Sir,
to
your
plus
voice
3.
is so slow, sir.
Your voice is very low, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Next now, 12th one. Oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid H2SO4 nana. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid. Okay, the common charges are hydrogen +1 nano. Next sulfur unknown element X and oxygen -2 nano. Okay.
+6, sir.
Yes,
Plus
nana,
6,
plus
sir.
6 nano. For 2 hydrogen
Plus
nano,
+6, sir.
+2 for sulfur X. Oxygen and 4 oxygens are there, each oxygen -2 is equal to, as there is no charge on H2SO4, it is 0 nano. Then 2 plus x minus 8 is equal 0, x is equal plus 6 nano. Next nano. 13 nitronium ion, NO2 plus nano. Nitronium ion, nitrogen. Nitronium ion, NO2 plus nano. Nitrogen. The nitrogen unknown element here, oxygen minus 2 nano.
+3, sir.
Yes or no? X plus 2A into each oxygen minus 2 is equal to, no? What is the charge upon NO2 plus? Yes or no? Plus 1.
Plus minus.
+3.
X minus 4 is equal plus 1. X is equal plus 3 nano.
+3.
Got it, sir.
Sir, +5, sir.
Yes or no? Plus 5.
+5, sir. 4 plus 1.
+5, sir.
Plus 5. Next now. Nitrate ion nano. Next now, 14th one. Nitrate ion. NO2 minus is nothing but nitrite ion. Nitrite ion. Next now. 15th one.
-5, sir. Sorry,
నైట్రేట్
Minus
అయాన్. జాగ్రత్తగా చేయండి. ఓకే, తొందర ఏం లేదు. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. నైట్రేట్ అయాన్ NO3 మైనస్
-4 -1 అంటే +3, sir. 14th one
nitrogen
+3.
unknown element, oxygen charge -2 nana. Here nitrogen unknown element X and oxygen -2. Okay, nitrogen, number of nitrogen here only 1, so 1x plus 2 oxygen, each oxygen -2 is equal to -1. Then x is equal to -1 plus 4 nano. X is equal to 3 nano plus 3. And here
+5.
plus 3 oxygen, 3 into -2 is equal to charge on nitrate ion -1. So x is equal to -1 plus 6 nano.
X is -5, sir.
+5, sir.
plus
Minus.
+5.
Sir,
చెప్పండి.
sir, it is minus NO3 minus, sir, or it is a hyphen?
Hyphen only nana. Hyphen. Simple that is. Formula for nitrate ion NO3 minus.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
స్లైడ్స్ చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చూపిస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ స్లైడ్,
okay, sir.
సెకండ్ స్లైడ్, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ స్లైడ్, నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ స్లైడ్.
Done, sir.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
ఫిఫ్త్ వన్, here a point nana. If a molecule contain same number of atoms,
Sir, is it a point, sir?
yes, and a point. If a molecule contains same number of atoms or same type of atoms, or for homodiatomic or triatomic or tetraatomic or octaatomic. The oxidation number is 0. The oxidation number is 0. The oxidation number is 0. And repeat. Now, for example, if a molecule contains same type of atoms, then a molecule is there which contain only one type of element, no other element is there. Suppose if sulfur is there, only sulfur, okay, no other heteroatom is there. So they are said to be homoatoms. So it may be either it contain 2 atoms or 3 atoms or 4 atoms or 8 atoms. Okay, example listen. First example, hydrogen. Now here hydrogen molecule is there, and in this molecule 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So 2 hydrogens are same, okay, no other element is there. So in this
Yes,
molecule,
sir.
so 2 atoms are same, then its charge is 0. So if a molecule contains 2 similar atoms, it is said to be homodiatomic molecule. Okay, if a molecule contains
sir.
2 similar atoms, is known as homodiatomic molecule. For that atoms, for that molecules,
Okay.
oxidation number 0. Next now, Cl2. Is it homodiatomic or triatomic? Cl2. Yes, sir.
Diatomic.
Next, third one. Bromine. 0. Next now. Fourth one. Yes, sir. I2. I2. It is also homodiatomic.
0.
Yes, sir. 0. Next, fifth one. Ozone. O3.
Triatomic.
Triatomic.
Here also. Ozone charge 0. Next, tetraatomic. 6th one. Then fast గా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి, సెషన్ అయిపోతుంది. మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవ్వనన్నా. నెక్స్ట్ నా P4.
Okay, sir.
It is a homotetraatomic molecule. Okay, it is a homotetraatomic molecule. P40. Next,
0.
7th one, S8 sulfur. It is an octaatomic molecule. Okay,
Yes,
here
sir.
also oxidation number 0. నేను నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు మళ్ళీ
11:20, sir.
11:20.
11:20.
11:20, sir.
ఓకే అండి, ఇంకొక 10 minutes కంటిన్యూ చేద్దాం. మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవ్వండి, జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. నేను ఇది స్క్రీన్
Okay,
షాట్
sir.
తీసుకోండి.
Okay,
సెషన్
sir.
అయిపోతుంది.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.